Hi everyone, we invite you to explore our new line of accessories for swinging and sliding gates from our trusted brand COMUNELLO. COMUNELLO offers simple wheels for sliding gates available with single or double bearings featuring 4-inch V-groove wheels. These can support weights ranging from 490 to 990 pounds per wheel, allowing for a total load capacity for over 1,900 pounds. Additionally, we offer double wheels in 4 and 6-inch sizes which can support weights of 4,230 pounds per pair, providing a total load capacity of up to 8,460 pounds. We also have the V-Track rails for sliding gates compatible with the previously mentioned wheels, depending on the type of installation, whether it is embedded, type, or bolt-on. Moreover, we offer adjustable upper guides for sliding gates. In our catalog, we also include products for swinging gates such as adjustable upper hinges which can support weights from 990 pounds to 1,400 pounds per pair. All our COMUNELLO products are made from galvanized steel which ensure a longer lifespan for all your installations. So remember, for your gate automation projects, choose COMUNELLO.